we've seen how easy it is to create flash text and flash buttons. Now check out how simple it is to insert a flash movie that you've created outside of Dreamweaver. You can bring it right within Dreamweaver very simply. All we need to do is go onto the Insert menu and choose Media. This time we're going to grab a flash movie that we've created elsewhere. Now once I bring in this flash movie, keeping in mind it must be a SWF, remember, we'll select it. We'll of course save a copy of it to our working root folder. And now if we press the play button on our property inspector, you'll notice we have a nice looking animated navigation bar that was created in Flash. Once you insert Flash media onto your website, keep in mind not everyone will have Flash. And even more importantly, not everyone will have the right Flash player to view your animation. Therefore, you'll want to download from the Dreamweaver Exchange site what's called the Flash Dispatcher behavior. This is part of the JavaScript integration kit for Flash 5. And if you download the JavaScript integration kit, this is the extension that you can use to make sure that visitors who don't have the Flash plugin or don't have the right Flash version of the plugin that's required can either automatically get the plugin, or even better, you can serve up an alternative version of your website to your audience.